Hey you guys, welcome to Homesteading with SEK. Make sure my volume is on, you guys, because there is a lot of noise out here. My neighbor is pressure washing their house, so sorry for the noise in the background. Alright you guys, I wanted to show you guys two different things today. One, I want to show you guys how to repurpose a screen for your door. So around here, my manpower like to throw everything out. You hear what I say? They like to throw everything out. They think everything is garbage. So I saw this at my garbage and I had a pure defect because it was on my porch behind a bench. So the last time I got my door, my storm door fixed, because I done been through, probably this is my third one. They did not put the screen part of the door up because of the room. It wasn't able to fit, or I thought about it. I said they probably didn't put it up because they didn't want to put it up, and then I just never followed suit with it, right? So this screen was at my garbage can, and I decided to repurpose it and use it as a protector for my ceilings. Now y'all know on the salad bar grow table, I try to do my lettuce and things of that nature. Most of the time my lettuce. So right now my lettuce is coming in really nice and I'm very proud of it. And for a couple of years I haven't had the greatest success with lettuce, and then I saw a video, and let me give y'all that tip too. When you sowing lettuce seeds, you can put your lettuce seeds in the paper towel, get them moist, and let them sit so they can germinate. We all know that kind of method. Or you could put it on the heat mat and wrap it up in the paper towel, and they would germinate that way. But also, you should moisten your soil. So do not sow lettuce seeds with dry soil and think you're going to just build a little trench and throw the seeds in it. Don't do it that way, and I'm telling you that because of experience of me doing it the wrong way. So always moisten your soil before you sow any type of seed, especially lettuce, because that'll keep the seed from drowning into the soil, okay? And then you just put a little topsoil on the top of it, and you should be able to get good germination. So right now, I feel like I'm having a successful lettuce season. That's what it's looking like for me right now. Now also you guys, do not be afraid to re-sow. I re-sow all the time, and yes, I do sometimes don't exercise enough patience when I am sowing my seeds because I want to see them seeds germinate. So I do come out from time to time and I do walk the garden to see what's germinated, which beds have germinated and what hasn't. So I always go and scan around the yard to check that out, right? So let me see, 3 of these, and I don't know why that's growing in here. Look at that. 3 of these grow bags, they are not sowing or germinating the way I want them to. As you can see, this one has about 2 coming up. This one may have about 2 coming up. No, I want these grow bags to be full with greenery, lush edible greenery. So these 3, 1, 2, 3, I came back in and sowed Paris Island, and I also put some Paris Island in this one towards the back end of it, and some in this one towards the back end and in the front end of it, because a lot of times you see that space right there, we don't get down into the, you know, the top and the bottom of raised beds. So I made sure I came right back in here and sewed the top end at this bottom part. So I did Paris Island, and then I came in this raised bed and I put some pak choy. So listen, I've been going in my stash of seeds. I'm finding all kind of seeds. So I sowed pak choy in this one, and I did actually 2 bags of those. And then I came in here because I found these seeds, and I'm hoping that they germinate because I had these for a while, and this is arugula. So in this bed I sowed arugula. So I did 2 bags of those. And I got these some time back from Seed Now. I used to shop with them a lot when I first started gardening. So I had these in my seed stash. And I said, well, let me get these out. And that's another thing I've been doing too. Kind of weeding out my seed collection to see what seeds that I've had for a while that I have not used yet. And I found a lot of seeds that I have not used. And I'm going to try to sow those seeds and see if I get a good ratio of germination with those seeds, even though I had those seeds for a while. So I just wanted to drop a video to give you guys that information on how to repurpose what you have around your house, and also do not ever be afraid to come back in your garden and resow seeds. And I do it all the time. So those are 2 tips for today. I hope everyone is doing well. My garden is thriving. Yes, I'm going to be braggadocious about it because I am at a good place. And y'all know Essie has been like really super duper busy. But I am happy with all the success that I have made around my homestead this year. And I still have 3 more beds to sow in my wagon. And one of those beds is definitely going to be peppers. And I'm thinking about just going to the back raised beds and just putting some more okra back there. I probably will do that, but I'm still undecided. But those 2 beds is ready to go. So take note of everything that I spoke about today, you guys, and happy gardening to you. And SEK the Homesteader will see you guys on the next video. Peace.